Hey guys, welcome back to Demi Trading, where you come for the news, stay for the commentary, and definitely click that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's start with our daily recap, but this time it'll be for the weekend. So this will be for the weekend starting 9/17, 9/18, and 9/19 as of 5:30 p.m. So we're going to start off with Stephan. He had uploaded a video called Index Funds Are Under Attack. Now, in this video, he pretty much has two points. One from the $600 transaction transparency that the government is trying to pass. They are trying to crack down on people that don't report all their income, like cash income. And if this does pass, we might see an uptick in cryptocurrencies so people can keep their transactions private. Also, his second point was the government might be imposing a tax on index funds. This would negatively affect those funds since the fee would also end up hurting the price of the index. He also had another video up on his other channel, which was called Millionaire Reacts to My Rich Fiance Wants Me to Pay Rent. Now in this one, Graham is reacting to a YouTuber reacting to Graham's original reaction to how a 31-year-old CEO making $180K in Manhattan spends her money towards glamour. The girl pretty much doesn't understand why would a fiance make her split the cost of a lavish lifestyle she could barely afford when he is rich and can support her. Graham fights that she may just want to be independent and have a tax write-off. So it's a nice, entertaining video. But I mean, it's up to you if you want to watch it. It's pretty entertaining, but nothing of much value comes from it. And then we have Andre Jick. I still don't know how to say his name. He had a video rating your worst investments. I'm going to say that the video was pretty much funny. Had a lot of jabs on Jeremy, but nothing really important or anything new was stated in the video. But it was pretty funny, so I would watch it, but I mean, again, it's up to you. Then we have Meet Kevin. He had over 8 videos, I think, this weekend. I'm only going to be talking about 4 because I'm pretty sure the other ones you can pretty much skip entirely. There wasn't anything new in them. So the first one that I'm going to be talking about is why I'm going cash heavy. Pretty much he explains his new strategies in this video. It's interesting. It's about 16 minutes or, 18 minutes if you do the 2 times speed, which is how I pretty much watch all of these in 2 times speed. Then the next video is Biden admin just admitted lying / Afghanistan. So this is an interesting current event. Our military shot a missile to a civilian's home where 7 children lived. The civilian was known for helping the homeless and poor, bringing them water and food. Unfortunately, the United States mistakenly assumed that the containers of water were containers of gasoline. The U.S. thought that they were preventing a bomber when in fact they killed a kind man and his 7 kids and 2 other adults in the household. It's pretty interesting. I would watch it if you want to know more. The third video was Becoming President. Here he explains how to be successful in a political campaign, how you're supposed to focus more on broad topics instead of individual solutions. He gives you examples, also gives examples on his own campaign, and how it wasn't successful because he focused on specific solutions versus broad topics. Also, I would actually watch that if you want to know more about that. Then we have why Kathy Wood paper-handed selling Tesla. So pretty much said that the ETFs, which Kathy Wood provides, works in a way that when more people buy her shares, she has more money to buy stocks. When people sell the ETF shares, she needs to pay money out, meaning if the ETF does not have enough money in liquid cash, she does need to sell stocks to pay the investors that is selling her stock. And in the last month, we have been seeing more selling than buying of her ETF, and that's why she had to sell so much Tesla. Then we have the iced coffee hour, going back to Graham here. I want to say that the first 30 minutes of how to build your credit ASAP, the travel for free credit Shifu. I think it's the first 25 minutes, actually. The first 25 minutes, great advice on like credit score, credit cards, all of that stuff. If you're interested, I would definitely watch it. After the 25-minute mark, there is a couple different things if you are building your YouTube channel, if you want to build a YouTube channel. Little tiny like hints on how to do better, how to achieve more money using YouTube. So I would definitely watch that if you want to watch that. That ends around minute 40, 42. And then after that, we pretty much have a mix of things, but it's not as important as I would say the first 25 minutes or the next, 20 minutes after that regarding the YouTube stuff. So it's up to you if you want to watch it. I would say that does have a lot of like good information. So I'll leave you guys with that. Oh, and also I am adding Brian Jung to this recap. I actually started watching him when the first AMC stuff came up. He was one of the YouTubers that started live streaming it all, and it got me really like invested in that, the whole movement and stuff. I still own like 2 AMC, and it's just sitting there because I'm like, why not at this point. But I did sell most of it at different times. Anyway, let's get to his pretty much a wrap up where we have several articles stated that Bitcoin will probably not drop 39 in the next crash. Also, September 24th will be the day with a lot of volatility in crypto. It's still not certain whether it'll be good or negative volatility, but there will be volatility depending on how things turn out. If you want to go watch that, definitely go watch that. But it's pretty much just those 2 points. They do go a little bit more in depth on why the volatility will happen. So if you want to look at that, it'll be the latter half of the video. I want to say the last like 4 minutes, last 3 minutes of the video will tell you about the volatility. So if you want to just skip till the end, you'll see that. But besides that, I hope y'all have a great day. Hope your weekend was awesome, and definitely check out my videos. I post every day, pretty much, unless the weekend, which I try to sum up at the end every Sunday night. And then we also have definitely little tiny videos every once in a while that I put in there. I'm definitely going to be doing one soon on Graham, because there was a millennial money that actually just happened like a couple of days ago. So I do want to do that. And then please hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification thing that sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. And also click the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you have not yet done so. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, so very quickly, if you're still here, I'm going to let you know that I do have my Weeble link, referral link down below in the description area. I would recommend Weeble if you are a normal investor that's wanting to invest in there. If it's your first time, Weeble's a little bit complicated to use, so I would try something else. But if you want to move from what you're already using to a different platform, maybe try a different platform out, see if you like it. Weeble is definitely one to obviously try out. It does have a lot of great things in its chart area. If you are a dividend investor, this might not be the thing for you because it does not do reinvesting dividends. Unfortunately, it doesn't do that thing where it gives you the drip. But the good thing about Weeble is that it does lend out your shares and you do get interest on that. So in the last couple of months, I have gotten about, I want to say 30 cents in interest, and I do not have a lot of stock in there. So just think about if you put a lot in there, you would get more of that interest. So it's up to you. But down below, I do have that referral link if you want to try it out. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.